Most salespeople think selling is about talking, but after a year in real sales job, I learned something important. The problem is not the product, the problem is not customer, the problem is simple. No system, no plan, no clear steps. So every customer feel like a surprise, and surprise creates fear. Today, I will show you a real system to fix this. Most salespeople just go to work and start talking. No script, no structure, no plan for different situation. I remember my early day in sales. I went to a small shop. I had products in my hand but no plan. I walked in and said, "Do you need a at me and said, "Not no," and just left. I felt confused. I realized I don't have a system, I'm just guessing. Before you ever visit an opening sentence, one goal, one backup sentence. Example, hi, I'm from company X. I only need 10 seconds. This gives control. Salespeople enter at the wrong time. They interrupt the customers. They don't read the situation. One day I entered a shop. The owner was busy with another customer. I still tried to talk. He stopped me and said, "Can you see I'm busy?" I felt very small and left. That day I learned timing is everything. When you enter, stop talking, wait 5 and 10 seconds, just observe, then speak only when it is right. Salespeople explain too much, customer stop listening. I remember one customer I talked for almost 2 minutes. After that, he said, "I don't understand." And he walked away. I was shocked, but I learned much does not mean more sales. Ask question instead. What do you need most? What is your main problem? Let the customer talk. Salespeople stop after no. One customer said, "No, I don't need it." I said, "Okay," and I left. Later I understood no is not final. Ask, is it price or need? No, you understand the real reason. Slide 5. Salespeople jump on customers in stores. So, a worker in a store, every customer coming, he rushed to them, and customer got angry and said, "Stop following me. Give us space. Say, if you need help, I'm here." Salespeople talk before understanding. One time I entered a shop. The owner looked stressed, but I still started talking. I failed. First and second, just watch. Then act. Salespeople follow the customer. The customer once kept asking me random questions. I lost direction. I left confused. Use question to control. Let's focus on your mind needs. Salespeople feel bad after rejection. Customer ignored me completely. I felt angry and said, later I learned I was not about me. Repeat in your mind, it is not personal. Salespeople fall at the end. I'm ready to buy, but I didn't ask for the ask directly. Shall we start? Every day is different. No system, no progress. After many failed days, I realized I was repeating a mistake. No strategy. Prepare, observe, ask, control, close. Sell is not luck. Sell is a system. When you have a system, you are calm, you are confident, and customers trust you. If you want to become a professional salesperson, subscribe to this channel. We are building real skills here, not theory. Real life sales. Thanks, guys.